Hey there traders, I'm here to spill the beans on two incredible TradingView indicators that have completely transformed my trading game. But don't just take my words for it. I'm going to put these indicators to the test. Alright, it's time to roll up your sleeves and dive into TradingView. Now let's find these magic TradingView indicators. Head over to the Indicators tab and get ready to search for the first one called Impulse MACD Lazy Bear. Just type it in and voila, it'll appear right before your eyes. Now that you've added the Impulse MACD Lazy Bear indicator to your chart, it's time to fine-tune those settings to match your trading style. The Impulse MACD Lazy Bear indicator is pretty incredible, but let's be real, no single indicator is perfect. Sometimes it might throw you a curveball with an inaccurate signal. That's where our second fantastic indicator comes into play. Before we dive into that, let me take a moment to introduce you to my channel TradeGenius. Here, we're all about sharing powerful trading strategies that are not only profitable, but also super easy to use and completely free. Our goal is to help you conquer the trading world and make your mark because, hey, we're in this together. If you're digging this content and want more game-changing tips, show us some love by smashing that like button and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us keep bringing you the freshest strategies to level up your trading game. Now, back to the second indicator. Look up the top of your screen and you'll see the indicators tab. Give it a click and boom, you'll see the search bar just waiting for you for the next move. This time, you're searching for the HLOTT indicator. That's our secret weapon for confirming those trades. Now, let's fine-tune this bad boy to create a clear scalping trading strategy that'll help you rack in those profits. You'll see the HLOTT indicator's name right there on your screen. Next to it, you'll find the little gear icon. Go ahead and give it a click to open up the settings window. We're about to make some magic happen. Guess what? You now got all the tools and know how to add and optimize those indicators for some serious trading success. Now comes the real exciting part. I'm going to share the exact rules on how to trade with these indicators. So here are the sell trade rules. First things first, you want to make sure you're trading with the current market trend. Here's how you'll do it. Keep an eye out for a bearish breakout of the red line on the HLOTT indicator channel. It's like finding a needle in a haystack, but trust me, it's worth it. Next, you'll want to confirm the bearish breakout with the impulse MACD. Make sure the MACD histogram is rocking that red color and sitting pretty below the zero level. That's your signal for a bearish momentum. If both conditions are met, it's go time. You can now proceed with confidence and open the sell position. But remember, risk management is crucial in trading. To keep your risk in check, you have two options for setting a stop loss. Use the most recent market swing high as your stop loss level, or alternatively, set your stop loss just above the blue line of the HLOTT indicator. Now let's talk about setting a profitable trade target. You have a couple of choices here. Use the blue line of the HLOTT indicator as a guide to trail your stop loss. It's like following a treasure map to trading success. Or set your target at 1.5 times the distance between the entry level and stop loss level. Think of it as aiming for a bigger reward with a calculated risk. Alright, it's time to see what are the trading rules to enter a buy trade. First and foremost, make sure you're swimming with the current market trend. Here's your treasure map to success. Be on the lookout for a bullish breakout of the blue line on the HLOTT indicator channel. This is your golden ticket to a potential buy opportunity. Next, you want to double check that the breakout with the impulse MACD. Ensure that the MACD histogram is sporting a lovely green hue and chilling above the zero level, signaling that sweet bullish momentum. Once both conditions are met, it's your cue to open a buy position. Now, let's chat about risk management. When setting a stop loss for your trade, consider these two options. Use the most recent market swing low as your stop loss level, or alternatively, place your stop loss just below the red line of the HLOTT indicator. And when it comes to setting profitable trade target, you've got some choices. Let the red line of the HLOTT indicator be your guide as you trail that stop loss, or try aiming for a target 1.5 times the distance between your entry level and a stop loss level. Alright, let's jump right into the exciting backtesting results. We put the strategy to the test on the Bitcoin chart using a 15-minute time frame and a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. The results were nothing short of impressive. Out of 100 trades, we achieved a remarkable win rate of 66%. The strategy yielded an outstanding total profit of 92%. We conducted the backtesting over a solid 10-week duration. During this period, we experienced an incredible streak of 10 consecutive wins. Even when things didn't go as planned, the largest streak of losses was only 6. Other noteworthy statistics include a profit factor of 2.96, which compare the profit to loss, and a max drawdown of just 5.85, representing the largest drop from peak to true. Thanks for joining us on this trading adventure. If you're hunting for more strategies to level up your game, we've got you covered. Don't forget to check out our other video where we'll share another fantastic trading strategy that'll help you tackle the markets like a pro. Just click on the video displayed on your screen and let the trading journey continue. Stay awesome, and we'll see you there.